yo adefo amutie mi nyina me mama akwaba the ba Omamba media so it's your main man Gucci one and na otimi nka ewo hey na munim se o my Ghana akenna kitwa bi na ye kwakoto aba adofo amutie mi in fact on why ni mo ye shit political tension no level no course rankasa chese enyasem kitwa na adofo enyasem kitwa political tension arises ano chese afa bia ye airwaves so ye television so enyasem kitwa kra na nanu ya the six show hosted by a year kwekwanan ensem bi pie so na ensem be ya aboa papo dodona no na dodona different and I say Ernest Owusubempa edu emre bi ewo program ne so no ofrisi mu say owo vital information bi efa Alfred Mahama oye omapen dada ana ex-president John Dramani Mahama ni nua panyin ba akwa ye frɛ no Alfred Mahama na enyasam kitwa esese etiefo mu amomese sa the seat show no part ni nyina no ye de bramu na motie mu asumu a nsɛm ekoso ewo the seat show na anu ya kwakwa na etena adwam no ene so Owusubempa the accusations akese de bebo Alfred Mahama oye ex-president John Dramani Mahama ni nua epanyi na enyasam ketwa arofo amutie me yankoi ni enkotie aboa papon ene so Owusubempa ensemu a obekaye na nu achi ne nso no Alfred Mahama so afresi program mu na adofo na enye asam ketwa mom yankoi na enkotie de ekoye se unya subscribe to Omamba media ebusia no nya mbeka ho na minim de wo twen samra me no kase ya YouTube obo se subscribe button mo ho o click so ewia obo se adoma ketu bi ho na do nsa enso click adoma no so no select all so de be news be trendy de ekoba breaking news video bi e be upload ho no yes wo obedi kan enye bi ahwe ne first wo ho sa enso na Facebook following na like your page you know wo Omamba media Instagram so Omamba media and Twitter and so Omamba media yankwa ni enko tie ensem a ekoso ewo the seat show mum yanko
Kofi utimenka
betonga justice abom design
Kofi and say na matena me do pem so ani na wo so
nyame adum bibia boko
great we are learning say breaking news story be a unit intelligence be say to me p free wakachi one then I course to Sabri or Ashanti region
but very important say
yeah
yedi ka me chewo tifo machia Ghana fo nyina mo hwe na maka say NDC for they are hell bent say o my gonna say Ashanti region ha obu be basa na intelligent reporter numre ya matie amkoye no Joseph Yami si and say mefa confusion emra all the various police stations especially the strongholds of the MPP in Ashanti region na enskenko for first 3 hours before voting no omumra na omumra mameye sa confusion no na saa nyoma ebeko so edi sabkataka ebema ebesken kofo no omunye I'm told to say one of the brothers of John Dramani Mahama or the Kumasi, one of the biggest hotel at the moment or the Sisika o kachem kofo say omunye say na some of the key ones on there may they chef region but I am telling them that we know where they are. And then Yama Kwako baby or no baby or now pa only one move. Kobeti wa Ashanti region. Say you move yanyabre. O pa sa Ibrahim Mahama ninya say one Alfred Mahama say one obeshe one of the biggest hotel in Kumasi Athena. Or you not gonna say all the diabolical agenda never or try to say John Mahama eba kuma na me kufu be fi achina or no ba be sheki. Nasa meeting no muye no ma be hyasie ababa execute ye ka kire say Asante memu ade ye sinketo ya ready the youth of Asante ya ready ye turn enti omo pa omo nya fi omo intelligence report nyina kutaye sefia na me no kasam asema make am in the America sa ballot papers na o maka cho mo say any pink sheet na o different kind ababetu koma o show hotel no they should dare make a move and I make the electoral commission officials na ya cha se yusu henchmen bi di bremo say mo sha se ni disika mo swap pink sheets at that time who obey you do so at the peril of your life. Send me information I make and serious information and I'm to them. Now me say Minister National Security for there is anybody of them making any move of them no. Yeah, radio. We have the intelligence, we are following them 24/7. The youth we are ready. So I say you know almost pa on your mama ni no me se kuma. Na yomba so mo ye meet yon koya no ya mi fie no ye kutata information no empanifo mu de akira o ma ye o ma dwene so mo ni mu asem no mo be execute that operation no and na yenya instruction for Larry Gablolati. This is what we are going to do. Then you bring it to Ashanti region. We are ready for them. Let them start any move. Kwaku make you asema make it's a very serious thing and I wanted to just give you a tip off. Say this is a meeting also this afternoon. Wabetina Krumwa, Mama Niana Betina Krumwa, now watching here. They wanted to execute that plan. Number 3, Sa Israeli for no Omodoma Banomia and Sama. Omo Pebebi Hotel Domatra, intelligence report, let's say. Omodoma Hotel, I bet you Omuntino. Now they are looking for a room to rent for them. Kumasimaya Santimamu Amutiemi, Obi Obeba or unknown person or so pet Naya Heinz is here. Woman and Diana, Mumushan said, dear Kino Pet Diana, what they are saying at this dry moment. Omo Namdi Sikakesia, the command landlord for say, Omo Pedaya, no matter fixing security installations, you know. We are telling landlords around Ashanti region and Kumasi, so Obia Bano say, or the pet Diana Haya. And also we will guest house we are now already or now so of the time. They should let the security agencies know with immediate effect and will come after them and make sure that we raid the place. Last minute, more vigilante groups or more kumana, omodoma bana, omodoma take advantage points na almost say be bar within the roadblocks within Kumasi Metropolis, almost said that block road here, a big disrupting conform free outside any Kumasi, any other places in the battle. And also we are aware, let them make any move. Don't cancel to Mama. Said Ghana doesn't belong to him. We are democratic people and we are ready to vote in a peaceful manner to elect the president of the Republic of Ghana. He cannot determine so no greediness in any new already no or no better the annual Kuma. And here so we are warning the Librano and them Kumana or this Ikabu Yima or check and then Moyano. Nina monitor. We have videos and pictures. At the right time,
hello, Alfred.
Hello.
Good evening. Yes, Alfred. Good evening.
Yeah, this is Alfred.
Great. I'm told you want to make some reactions on this very program per what is put on. Okay, can we hear you? What exactly do you want to say?
I'm in Accra. Good evening. Anyway, let me say hello to your listeners and anybody who is listening.
All right.
I'm sitting quietly in my house in Accra. And then people are calling me all over the place that my name is being mentioned on your Net2 TV, reporting that I'm in Kumasi with some Israelis and some plenty conspiracy theorists. And I'm looking for a place to rent, and nobody should rent a place to me. What nonsense is that? And I hear it's a certain Utu Bempa. I don't know which Utu Bempa, whether it's that guy at Ghana Gas who is blowing his empty nose that I'm there, and if they get me, what the hell are they talking about? You see, what I want to say is that this country has been a very peaceful country until this cancer of an MPP got into power. This MPP is not MPP.
Why do you describe MPP as a cancer? I mean, that description of
this is an aberration. Let me tell you, I've known the UP party since before independence and after.
Okay, so Alfred, my question is this.
Yes.
With the word cancer, which is a disease, be describe a political party that is of cancerous nature. Do you think that is a more do you think that is a more, a proper way of describing a political party?
Let me explain to you why I say so.
Yeah, but again, would you refrain or use, a proper word rather using a disease to describe, a political party as infected with cancerous cells or some sort?
You know what they call it, simile? You know what they call it, simile?
No, but I prefer that you use a different word to describe them rather than to use the word cancer. I disagree with that.
Let me start from somewhere. Let me tell you something.
No, I want you to pull that word, cancer, describing...
You want me to withdraw that word?
Sure, that's correct.
Okay, listen, let me withdraw it.
Great. Go ahead, sir.
The current MPP is not like the first MPP. That's all I'm telling you.
Okay.
Kufuor's MPP is amenable to democracy, peace, and equal opportunity. This one is not. You are doing, what do you call it? One district, one factory. Today, Dangote is on the verge of opening the biggest refinery. Nigerians are very proud. Every day you people go on about he has given how many percent of the bauxite to what to his brother. How do they get bauxite concession in this country? You apply for it like me. And when you are accepted and your thing is approved, the minister sends it to parliament. This minister under MPP did not send it to parliament because MPP had an agenda for the bauxite. Now, if you don't send it, it means you don't want. Fair enough, that is okay. But why do you go about his giving how many percent of the thing to his brother? How did Newmont get their concessions? And when the thing now, all Newmont and Goldfields have been mining in this country for years. Their things were never to send to parliament until Ibrahim's issue came. You sent all to parliament and approved them. Is that fair to a Ghanaian?
Okay, let me bring you home, Alfred. What
is all this nonsense?
Yes, great. Wait, hold
People
it there. Hold it. Yeah, Alfred, hold it there. Alfred, hold it there.
Listen to me.
Now, Alfred, hold it there. I'll give you all the time.
I called to speak into you.
Exactly. Yes, but we have called you back. Exactly. You called my line, and then we have called you back. My question is this: what is it that?
Okay, I'm listening to you.
Yes,
ask me.
What precipitated you to call into the studio? Can we go straight on that point?
There's something about me in Kumasi. And I don't see why I shouldn't be in Kumasi if I want to.
Are you in Kumasi currently speaking?
I'm not in Kumasi, I'm in Accra.
Great. When was the last time you visited Kumasi?
Kumasi is a place I pass through every time I'm going to the north.
Great.
Or coming to the south.
My question is...
The last time I was in Kumasi was 2 days ago.
2 days ago, so barely 24 hours ago, you were in Kumasi, correct?
Yes, I was in Kumasi.
Great. So... When?
To what?
Sorry?
Why shouldn't I be? Is Kumasi London? Do I need?
Can we just have a respite of exactly what your business was in Kumasi?
Why do you want to know what I was doing in Kumasi?
I just want to know.
What am I doing in Accra? And you, what are you doing in Accra here?
I am working.
What nonsense question is that? Why what I was doing in Kumasi, does it concern you?
Look at it this way.
Master,
no,
let me tell you
Alfred, take your time.
Nobody can ask me what I was doing, where I was anywhere.
Wait a minute. It's
only a court of jurisdiction that can ask me this question. But you cannot ask me what I was doing.
Great, I'm coming, Alfred. For the transparency purposes.
Why?
Wait. Owusu Bempah's word against...
You people sit there and you talk about what you don't know.
Alfred, just a minute. Alfred, can we have a decent conversation? The only place where dissenting voices is raised is in the graveyard. This is not a graveyard. Just a minute.
Okay.
Exactly.
I'm listening.
My question is this: is your Owusu Bempah's word against yours? Against the very fact of what you have been accused of being in Kumasi in a certain hideout. So therefore, now you are before.
Why should I?
You are before millions of Ghanaians, to as it were, to understand and appreciate what you were in Kumasi 24 hours ago doing. Can we just get that understanding?
No, that I was in a hideout.
What exactly your presence in Kumasi was for, so we can get that understanding against that of Owusu Bempah's
So what question are you asking me now? Ask the question again.
My question is simple. That you were in Kumasi 24 hours ago. Now here Owusu Bempah says that in your presence in Kumasi was on some nefarious activities. And I am saying that now you are before millions of Ghanaians. Can you tell them exactly?
No, I say nefarious activities like what?
Did you what is it that you were told when the call started coming?
He said I was bringing some Israelis and looking for accommodation for them.
Great. So hold it there. The question is, 24 hours ago, you were in Kumasi. What exactly were you doing?
Yes.
Can you share that with Ghanaians for the transparency purposes?
I was in Kumasi like a normal citizen of Ghana, liaising with my party executive, my party affiliates in Kumasi.
Okay. May I ask this question?
Arranging with them. Wait. Let me tell you exactly what I was doing there.
Great. Go ahead, sir.
I was there with them to conduct party activities as the MPP is conducting in the northern region, in the Greater Accra, Western, and every part of Ghana. Just like any party person will do in any part of the country, I was there to liaise with my party people to ensure that we maximize our vote and win in Ashanti region. That was why I was there.
Great. So your presence in Kumasi 24 hours ago was party-related businesses, is it not?
Yes.
Great.
Yes, party election-related activity.
Great, is it not? So, would Owusu Bempah get it wrong that you were in Kumasi doing something that is of party-related and it has some nefarious activities connecting? Do you disagree?
Nefarious? So you tell me what nefarious activities
he has accused you of being in the presence of some foreign group of people and trying, with attempt also to secure their stay in Kumasi.
And he's in government. Listen. And he's in government. And he knows the foreign people. To arrest them.
Okay, hold it there. Let me see if I can have Ernest Owusu Bempah connected so we can throw the questions at you. Would you hold it there, Alfred? Just hold it there. Let me connect to
I'm
Owusu
here.
Bempah. Great. Hello, Kofi Owusu Bempah.
Connected so we can throw the questions.
Hello, Kofi Owusu Bempah.
Will you hold it there, Alfred? Just hold it there. Let me connect. I'm here.
Hello, Kofi Bempah.
Yeah, good evening.
Yes, Kofi, can you hear me loud and clear?
Hello?
Kofi, can you hear me loud and clear?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Great. I have Alfred Mahama on the line. You just spoke for the purposes of Alfred may not understand the Twi language. We have to do this interview in English. Oh, okay, Alfred. And they say, now, Kofi, Alfred is say, what said we try to be out to say, no, Kumasi,
and say, barely put me catch on say, Wabetra Kumasi 1 week. True or false? Kumasi and now Kumasi. Before I proceed,
great.
No Kumasi.
Great.
And now say no Kumasi. Make clear my statement. I told you, say.
Great.
Kumasi 1 week. Hotel no you so big. Say me person me hotel. Make my boni room number. Baby I know that. We have it. Etino maninga say no Kumasi and now no Kumasi. Before I start.
What confirm my say? Yes. 24 hours ago no Kumasi.
Even a hotel ben an order. On one can say.
Alfred,
monitor they monitor him 24/7 till or go through plane. You monitor the baby of fire.
I never came by air to Kumasi. I never.
Me a part of the campaign team coordinating things. So me they are also 24/7. And Busan said, "Dear obey Kumasi." So by obey a peaceful thing. One for BB a year in your ma and call your plan is open. So yeah, and coming in as are you need crofobia party people like this for
Alfred, member also Alfred.
I'm a Rollins boy. I know me counter Rollins will training you. I know counter intelligence more than them. Let them try anything. There's no need to talk about anything. Yeah,
but Kofi,
catch Alfred Bahama say, me say, yes, Sisiba na Jugluma no be apuma Twediashem to me. Catch them, Santifo Beckes, listen to me, listen, Kofi, listen, I'm looking at you. Me say, men na be bube. Ebeno buida Beckes ye pa, or say, Sisiba na Jugluma no be apuma Twediashem to me. Catch them.
Alfred.
Bye bye.
Okay. Hello, Alfred.
Listen.
Alfred.
Did you hear that guy?
Yeah. What they are Okaino? How do you reconcile your movement in Kumasi and that of so also say I barely a week or whatever? So it means if Oka 1 week, it means you were captured in the 1 week to have been seen in Kumasi doing some political business.
Mami answer our question.
All right. Go ahead, sir.
So also our intelligence, and intelligence is very, very poor. I never went to Kumasi by air. By road.
But
I spent 2 nights in Kumasi. I didn't spend a week.
You spent 2 nights?
I didn't come with... Yeah, 2 nights. And if he says he knows where I stayed, he should tell you. He can't tell you where I stayed.
Did you by any means say only friend example friend saying more me penidia bo but me finidin Asia meeting Yamin.
Yamin?
Yes.
I never saw Yamin.
Did you speak to Yamin?
I didn't see Yamin.
Okay. When Yamin?
I didn't see a party chairman.
Yeah, one and Ankasa. You didn't see him. One and so Ankasa.
No, I didn't see Yamin.
Okay. Hold it. Mamimbisa Kofi Usube and pass him. Hello, Kofi.
You were saying,
listen, don't ask him. Listen, let me tell you.
Alfred, my yenye more information
I don't countenance people like Owusu Bempah is a small boy. Don't mind him. I don't care. And let me tell you, he has no reason to tell me not to come. Look, even if I came to come, it has nothing to do with him. What the fuck?
Oh no, Alfred, West with the too good enough.
I will say those things. You kept quiet and let him talk nonsense.
Alfred, no, it's not. It's not.
Hello.
No, Alfred, it's not so pleasant to use the F word.
When I'm talking, you are trying to oppress me. But when the guy is talking, you leave it to talk all those bullshit things.
No, me per se, you need more information free. Because he's accusing you.
What you are quite elected, TV show, I know about what the fuck? These people say on that your thing. You allow Polish people like Owusu Bempah.
Then you for awake.
I think
we are watching him 24/7. We are watching him. On try.
I don't care.
Let him try anything.
I don't care. You can monitor me. You can't do
in Kumasi. Kumasi, from Bantuma or Kumasi, any corner in Kumasi. Me, I can walk freely in Kumasi. Everybody can see.
What can you do when I go to Kumasi?
Me, Kumasi information. The people are telling us.
Look at the twerp. You rapists, you are in London raping people. You come to Ghana, they give you this position and you want to think you are who. Get out there here. Please. I'm glad I've told you what I mean.
Yeah, the peaceful elections. Yeah, the peaceful elections.
Every day I can be in Kumasi. You can't do anything to me.
The people of Kumasi, the people of Ghana will make sure, say, yeah, Transimobi, Ghana, Emma mo bushafo may take Ghana for ransom. It will never happen. Sir, all your part try. Me so your part try.
Okay.